So in this tutorial I want to show you how you can add a blog to your ProntaCMS website. Here you see one of our newest templates, which is the Ink magazine. Now you could actually write text here and do all kinds of things, but you could also add a block. Of course you could also add a block anywhere else on the page, like here or here. So if you want to add a block, you press on Add Element, you select block, and then click on Add. You will then click on the block, roll over with your mouse, and click on the settings. Here you can specify how you want to display your block and what the block name is. So let's call this home block. We can display this, but we won't do that here now. So the skin is, you can display your block as a list, which basically gives the titles of each of your posts. Or you can do a list as body, which basically is the title plus all the text of your blog. Or list with summary. A tag cloud is if you put tags on your blogs, which are keywords that where people can find your blog with. You can also put that somewhere on the page. Or a tag list. Let's do, for now, let's do a list with summary on the front page. So we click that. How many posts do I want to show? Well, let's say 5. How many days? I'll leave that open because I think I want to show as many days as I want. I want to let people comment on my post for sure. And if you want to get notified of a comment, which is usually a good idea, you would put in your email address in this field. You can syndicate your blog, which means that other people can subscribe to your blog. So by default, this will be, at the moment, this is the default RSS feed. But you could also set one up at feed burner, which is usually a good idea because you can get statistics of your blogs. But we can discuss that in a later tutorial. So at the moment, we just click update. And then we can write a new post for your blog. So here you are to write a blog post, and we just give it a title, and you could just say, this is my first blog post. For shortcut you can do that, but you can also leave that because it will automatically take the title. Let's put Sylvia, and then the date, you can leave the date. If you want to backdate put your post on your blog in the future, you can actually put a future date in here. And then you can type some text. Okay, so once you've typed in your text, I'll leave it very short for the moment. You can add a tag, and you could, for example, maybe tag would be training, or maybe it's about SEO, you could put that. So basically you could put all your keywords in your tags, and then you would press update. Now you can see that your blog post is now on the front of your page. This at the moment will display the titles plus a summary. It's not displaying a summary, so I wonder if I put the settings right. So summary, I think we should do this with body, so we can actually see the text as well. So if you want to have a summary, you should specify the summary in your blog post, which I haven't done. Okay, so let's say you want to also have normally maybe you would have all kinds of other text here, and you only want your blog to show on a separate page. You could do that as well. So let's add a new page. And let's call that page blog. You can choose a parent for your page. And let's leave the text open for now, because we'll add our blog to it. So just click Add My Page. And then now you want to add an element. You don't want a text element, you want an element because you want to have the blog that you just created on the front page, you want it to show on this page. So you choose blog, Click Add. Now click on the settings again. So as this is your specific blog page, you can actually choose to have either a list, or you can list with body or list with summary. Let's put list with body here now, because otherwise nothing will show up if I do list with summary. Here again you can choose how many posts you want. Do 4 here. You let people comment, you fill in the email address where you want to be notified for comments. And then here you can say display posts from other blogs. So yes, I want on this page to display the posts from my home blog, so that I only have one blog, which basically I can access from different parts of my site. So click update. And then you have your blog. So this one, you don't need the text element up above that, so you just click delete. So there you have your blog on your specific blog page. Now, you could also, of course, add an element here. You could, if you want to have an archive displayed on some pages, again, you go through the same process. You say add blog. Click on the settings. And then you choose archive, which basically displays all your blogs from a particular month. You again choose your home blog again. And there you see that one post is shown there as well. This is a very useful way to add a lot of pages and a lot of updated content to your site. You can put your blog spots on every page. Usually it's a good idea that in addition to your normal text on the front page, you also add a little archive or a little feed of your blog on the front page, so that your front page is always kept up to date and Google will know that this is an active site, it's regularly updated, and it will rank it better. I hope you have found this useful. Stay tuned for more training tutorials coming up. Thank you.